How to fix music fail to play trackers error on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button, and you will see restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on see all apps and search music app from here. Click on music app. For example, this is music app. Click on music app and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After clear cache music app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and reset option and click on reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix music fail to play trackers error on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.